Hi guys, I'm Brittany and welcome to lesson 9 of this series. Today we're going to work on one of my favorite steps called a paradiddle. Paradiddle is really fun because it looks hard, it sounds hard, but it's not that hard. And it has a beautiful rolling rhythm. So it's 4 simple steps just put together. So first we're going to dig our right foot out. Dig with the right heel. Dig. Feel that dig? That's where we begin. Dig, we're going to spank the right foot back like the second part of a shuffle. Now we're going to step down on that right foot. Remember, step, step. And then the last second, we're going to drop that heel. That's it. Dig, spank, step, heel. Let's try it on the second side. Dig, spank it back, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, a little faster, step, heel. Spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. We're going to pick up the tempo, so if you need to take a pause until you practice a little bit, that's fine. Join me here. We're going to go 5, 6, 1 foot. Here we go. Dig, spank, step, heel. Step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank, step, heel. Dig, spank. 8 times. 6, 7, 8. Very good. This step takes place within our own little square because it can be small and it's going to get faster. So keep it small. We don't want to go like this. Okay, that's wild, out of control. We don't want to do that. So it's right underneath you. Let's amp up that speed. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. 8 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So if you're making it that far, very good. We're going to keep working on that speed. This is a great step to practice when you're like in the kitchen cooking food and you're like, doo. Or if you're at school under the table, just don't be too noisy with your feet. Okay, so a little faster. Da 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 da. 5, 6. Here we go. 5. How'd you do? Did you keep up? One more time, a little faster. Ba da 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 da. 5, 6, 5, 6. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, one more time, really fast. Da 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 da. 5, 6. Here we go. How'd you do? Awesome. And that's our paradiddle. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll catch you next week with our very last lesson of this session. Bye.